So here we have our glued together wood boards. These boards will be used in the window frame, literally left, right and above the window to give it a better finish. We'll cut these to size. It's 2 and 2, but we just did 4 together, or Pep did 4 together to get the maximum out. So meanwhile, our oven is being built. This is a typical Austrian style Kachelofen with energy saving stone. So a small fire will keep the construction warm for like 4 to 5 hours probably. It won't be a very big one, so that's why it's not more. But that's how it looks like to begin with. Well, autumn has come early here in Rauris. It is cold, which is good because it means that we can continue with our heating program. We've received from our plumber a special device which allows us to heat the house floor by floor on a kind of curve, so it's getting hotter and hotter all the time until we reach a certain temperature, which is pretty warm as far as I know. It's like 30 degrees. So that's going on at the moment in the cellar. The cellar is really warm, 25 degrees. I can show you that device. So this guy's heating the underfloor system here in the basement, keeping it nice and warm. Almost 30 degrees. Which is good because outside it's almost 0 degrees. And yeah, there's a lot going on. That's the thing, you know, with the house coming down and the oven being built and our heating program, and we're still working on the facade kind of details for the windows, and among other things we've plastered the house door and the cafe door, so it's like these kind of little jobs that kind of get a little bit forgotten when it comes to videoing, but I'll show you those anyway now. Our plastered door frames. So our lovely oven is in progress. Show you this. All this thermal brick in here to save the heat. And that's of course going to be built further up. So that basically you put a fire in here but after an hour this whole thing should be warm. So it's a really good thermal distributor. And our oven builder has been doing a great job with putting the whole thing in. He's very, very meticulous, and it's looking really good so far. This is all going to be like filled in the gaps here. Put a hole into the back there because the chimney goes up behind here. Yeah, it's looking really good. It's going to look even better. And they're the rest of the tiles. These are also thermal tiles, so they stay warm for a long time. level of plaster is going on, the Edelboots as it's known, which is basically like a coloured mass, another plaster. It's slightly white, although it's still kind of greyish because of the undercoat, so we have to paint it. And that's basically what we'll do then, once this is dry in a few days time, weather permitting. But it's looking really good, and we should be actually done with the whole house today. So it's taking shape.